how to get this done, right? You can see here, it will work this way, and yeah. So let's begin, right? So first of all, right, we're going to use the alternate NCB, right? So highlight this area here, and then just type alternate NCB, right? And this is how to put a dash there, right? So I've done this here. Now the next thing is that go to another column, I write this here, equal repetitions, right? So just start with that here, repetitions, right? Repeat what? Repeat this number, right? So alternate 178, right? So okay, let's do it again. Alternate 178, right? So we gotta hold this key together, right? And then how many times you want to repeat, right? So that depends on the right. So if it's one, we're gonna put a one here, and you can see that there's one item. If I put a two, and it's gonna be two, right? So right there. Now, how do you know that how many does take, right? Is that whenever it's take, right, there's a meaning of true here. You can see here. If I click on this here, it will give me a true, right? So I just want to count in this list how many value is true, right? So and then I replace it with this value here, right? So now I just change it here to count if, right? And I highlight this list here, and I just want to see how many are true, right? So that is one, right? And then if I drag this down here, and you see this is two, this is three, take. So I want to place this count if, right, into the repetitive. So I just change this here to count if, highlight the same list here, and then comma, and then just put it true, right, and then enter, and just double click, and you can see that here it works this way, perfectly done, right? So repeat, right? The first step is to use the alternate NCB, right? It's just the way is to insert a checkbox for you to check, right? So then you can use these repetitions to create a dynamic chart, right? So to see how's the progress like, right? So if you see that all are full, you know that this is all completed, right? So yeah, alternate 178 is this here, right? So you can replace with any other value here, right? So there are many things that you can do with it, right? So well, 179, what do you get? Oh, that's a line. Okay. Oh, if it's 179, it's like here, right? So it's like the counting how many of them here. So very interesting. Big yeah, try out something else. Thanks for watching.